It's your boy.
Splash, cannonball, I'm drippy.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Splash, and yo, man, I just had to do a video. I know I haven't done a video in a minute, but yo, today is my birthday, September 16th, 2020. I know you guys hear the echo. Thank you, wife. I know you guys hear the echo right now. Right now I'm in my man cave, and when it's all done and we're finally moved in, then I'll show you guys, give you guys a tour of the whole thing. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Germany now, moving into the house, getting everything settled. But we're gonna do this one take, Jake, one time. And I wanted to do an unboxing. I wasn't even planning on doing it. We went to dinner, just got back. That's why I'm dressed like I'm dressed right now, because we literally just got back from dinner. But I was like, yo, had some ice cream, got a little sugar rush, and I want to do an unboxing for y'all. And really just show a shoe that I've wanted to get for the longest time and never got. And I was able to get it, to me, for a steal, but it's one of my grails, and I'm gonna open it for my birthday. So here we go. Box right here, straight from GOAT. Not gonna take all day. This ain't gonna be a super long, super crazy video. And man, you know, all right, so right now, September 16th, the Lakers are gonna be in the Western Conference Finals against the Denver Nuggets. We smacked them Clippers, baby. Yo, look, we didn't smack them Clippers. The Nuggets smacked the Clippers. But that just lets you know right now they wasn't even ready for us. So because of that, and in honor of the Mamba, because I believe LeBron James and the squad is gonna get a championship this year. I had to get it, man. I had to get it. I wanted this shoe for the longest time, man. For the longest time. I really wasn't into sneakers when this shoe dropped, but it became my favorite Kobe of all time. Like, seriously, hands down, this is my favorite Kobe of all time, and I copped it, man. Let you guys go ahead and take a look at the box. Has the Mamba branding on top. There you go. See what that says there. And honestly, I forgot what year this shoe even came out. Yeah, it doesn't say on here, but it says Kobe 10 Elite SE, size 14. And real talk, this type of Kobe, this type of shoe is my favorite shoe to hoop in, man. I have another one of these shoes, a different colorway, but this is my favorite Kobe, hands down, all time. And yo, I'm so happy to get these. Hold on, I have to get each shoe because you'll see why in a second. You have to see both shoes, man. This, I know a lot of people, they love the Grinches, right? They love the Barcelonas, there's certain Kobes that are known to be like the most hyped Kobes, hands down. And the it's the Grinches. The Grinches are the most hyped. But to me, this shoe, it like encompasses all dope Kobe shoes, dope Kobe colorways. And it's the Kobe 10 Elise, man. The super high top joints, which are my favorite shoes, my favorite Kobe's to hoop in, man. Like look at this. Look at this bad boy. Let's do the right shoe first. So first, you got that blue in there, and then you got this pinkish orange that just pops right off rip. Super clean. Then you have kind of like the Black History Month kind of colorway right here. That was actually on the 9, and I want those too, but these are my favorites. Then you kind of have that highlighter green, that Grinch kind of colorway right there. Then on the back, you see you have some different logos there. It says Zoom, has Kobe's signature, and then it has the Mamba logo right there as well. On the tongue, you actually have that multicolored Mamba logo, pretty dope. And then even on the bottom, man, look at like the detail and the coloring of this shoe, which to me, this is just crazy. I know everybody right now is super hyped over the Biohack Jordan 1s. Dope shoe too, but come on, man, we've seen this before. And you even saw it before the Biohack 1s dropped. They had the Dunks that they got that colorway off of. So people are hyped about multicolored shoes, but this shoe came out, I forgot what year, but it came out, it has to be at least like 2012 or prior. Between 2000 and, it's gotta be 2011, 2012, maybe 13. I might be completely wrong. But it's close to those. It's close to those. Now, let's go ahead and look at the second one. Man, this one's clean too. So you got that purple in there. That purple, and it's like that highlighter green as well, which is dope because sometimes they've used that color combination instead of having yellow. They've had like highlighter green on like some Laker combination shoes, which doesn't make sense to me because no Laker jerseys are highlighter green. They're always yellow, but that pops right there. Same thing, got the pink that you had. Actually, no, now you can see that this is more orange and this one's actually pink. So this one's really more of a red orange and this one's pink here. Then you have the pink logos on the back. Same toe box right there. And then you have the red on this side. Red and blue, which I believe is the same color blue as here. So even with the mismatch and the two different color shoes, they're the same, they have the same colors, same elements to them, right? And then the bottom there, which is crazy, man. Look at it, like, this is why I love hooping in these shoes. Like, or well, I'm gonna love hooping in these, but I love hooping in this style of Kobe because it just feels good. It just feels good. It has the support, and like I like hooping in colorful shoes that pop. You know that people see like, oh snap, what are those? Like, and then obviously on the back, this is what kind of makes these shoes iconic. When Kobe tore his Achilles and had the stitches, that represents the stitches that he had on his left foot, which is an iconic moment, man. Kobe, nobody knew what happened at the time. We just knew Kobe was hurt because he was limping. But he literally tore his Achilles, then went back on the court and shot the free throws and made them, man, and won the game. And then that was against the Golden State Warriors, like of all teams, right? Super crazy. So, man, I love these shoes. These are grails to me. I don't even think I'm gonna hoop these, to be honest. And I may not even wear these. These may just be like a trophy shoe for me to keep and hold on to and to just enjoy looking at, because that's how much this shoe means to me. Look, that's it. I'm not gonna edit this super crazy. I wanted to get it out to you guys, tell you guys I'm alive and well. I know I haven't posted in a while, but we made it to Germany. We're safe. And I appreciate everybody for still rocking with me, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I think we're close to 500, which, yeah, let's get to 500, man. I think I need like 5 more subs. So appreciate y'all. Love y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. It's your boy Splash. I'm out.